Bree and Bella on the front. No,
Point on your own, Bella. Point on your own. Yeah.
Yes.
If you had a bad day and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they're bringing some light. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs. Go Bree, go Ben, go Bess, go Brian. Stuff from the cuffs, stuff from the cuffs.
Underground parking.
Listen to me, Mandeville, come up.
Oh my.
Come up, Mandeville. What? Come up, Mandeville. What elevator? Where's it?
Mommy, we are.
That's me a duck.
We are not far.
Looks close.
Don't get cool with me, babe.
Let me see.
Mommy, we are using the elevator.
Why does it look like foreign? This side, Mama.
And now it's finally here.
Bella is all about business. What is here? Santi.
Christmas together.
Today's what day?
Today is the 3rd of December. I saw Robert did a video. So we just went to the new Shoppers Fair in Mandeville for some groceries. Nice place. Nice place.
Very nice.
Reminds us of foreign. Shady got our nose. It's Ursinus. And Bria got 2 books. Go Miss Big Reader, and Bella is going to read them as well. Go Miss Little Reader.
I got Beauty and the
But we're
Beast
going
and
home now.
Peter.
Long day, and we'll tell you all about it when we see you again. Guys, watch Arthur come back. She drops up. Watch Arthur come back after delivering books or sending off books for delivery. Watch her. Watch Arthur. Watch Arthur. Watch Arthur. Watch Arthur. Watch Arthur.
I will change money.
They're down there. Hi again, pretty.
Give you a relatively loud
You left you guys. We're waiting on you to come. On writing and publishing her book. Babe, I have them in the car. Let's all How much for your book? $19.50. But you can't pay me in US for $99, whichever it is.
I would buy one tonight because I want it autographed.
There you go.
Yes,
There you go.
I made an order. I don't know if she brought my order. Yes, I brought your order. Okay, thank you, guys.
Hi, Gianna.
Hi, Brian. Good night.
Two hands. Two hands. Let me see our face.
Let me stand up because you can't hold around there.
It's a painting.
You're coming on?
That's a very big book.
It's a painting.
Oh my god.
Balling tonight.
Don't cry. Oh my gosh. Here you go. You're bigger than Basillia.
Alice, I'm back here with something. Turn it on, man. Sure. Yes, sir. That is it, man.
It can open? Yes. What should we do it opening? So, and from all of us at EFFIT, I'd like to tell you congratulations
Speech.
on this big milestone. You deserve a big book.
Easy now.
Oh, thank you guys.
Congratulations, Mom.
When I idea in the book.
Oh my god.
You need to open your book.
I have to put it in and type of something.
Careful.
Is that a book, Dad?
Aww.
You think you're right pretty though?
Thank you so much.
You're right pretty. Oh gosh, ears. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you.
Look on the back.
That is a literal book.
Yep.
Thank you. Thank you for being here. Yes. Thank you, babe.
It's my hug.
I'm giving you yours too. Oh, guys. Oh, Lord, my ears, them are burning. Oh, God, this is so precious. Oh, babe, I need a picture. Yeah.
Where's Bella?
Bree and Bella on the front. No,
Point
don't
on your
look
own,
that side.
Bella.
Point
On your own. Yeah.
Yes.
Look this way, Bella. Look this way. Yeah. Good job.
That is it. This book needs to be in every Jamaican household.
That is
locally,
it.
and internationally.
That
and
is
introduce it to your American counterparts,
That's
Canadian counterparts, and the British counterparts. Show them a little tips of Jamaica, yeah? Yeah. You can't do the stars, right?
Oh, guys, thank you so much. I am so grateful, guys. This means a lot because when I started to write the children's book, I never know said that was so hard. God said no. I thought, because it's a children's book and it's short and it took over a year to get it right, but we got it right. And I'm grateful for the support because I know say, things like these, sometimes you do it and you work hard on it, and when you hear the experiences of other people, they're like, you kind of just fall by the wayside. But I'm grateful that you guys chose to celebrate this milestone with me, and I'm grateful that I can know say, boy, Team EFFIT is in my corner, and Scott. I'm grateful. Thank you guys so much. This is special. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going to put this up. Where are we going to put this, babe?
Somewhere.
Hello,
In our room. And we're on the book, so it's going in our room.
Okay. Yeah. I will have books in the car, so I want you guys to see the actual books. Like Brian's illustration, dead on. Like, and
Oh, you did the illustrations?
No,
no, the illustration of him.
Oh,
Poor me.
Just like
Poor me trip.
Yeah, I reached all the way to
Yeah, we
South
try to stick,
Africa
man.
to get it illustrated.
wow.
Yeah, because I couldn't find somebody who could at least try to get the characters to look like my family. Yeah, people were like, I can just make up a fictional character. I'm like, but no, I want what I want. You know, I'm gonna pay for what I want. Yeah. All the way to South Africa, she was willing. I sent pictures upon pictures. I sent videos of them in different, environments, doing different things, and over a year, but we got it done. At the time, Bree had pink glasses. I know she has red, but yes, thank you guys so much. Thank you, loving them.
And it's going in my room, so yay!
Wonderful. Thank you guys.
hey cutie.
She said to me, look cute. Worse than my handsome when me in a 3-piece suit. Easy now, you. So like, she want me seed so she can bear fruit. She have the treasure, so me go seek the loot. But me pause, tell you the truth. Me not alright in my youth. Me not alright in my youth. You see, when me wake up after no sleep, them say me can't cry, but inside me weep. Yeah, it no make sense, but so it's set. Me look alive, but me living a death. Not death, but death. Cause inside rotten, but you will never know. Cause that nah go happen. So my island on my looks get by the life by the hook or the crooks, not crook. Because me nah broke no law. Except lying about everything that you ever saw. You saw a man, but I'm really a boy. Broken so much like your favorite toy. A toy so much even when it's on its last, you keep it near as the clock ticks, never thinking how to really get it fixed. You saw a man, but I'm really a boy like a broken toy. So I'm broken, but it's not seen because it's really how I feel, but you won't know because it's under heel. Living brand new, but I never truly healed. So now we have masked men with a story of fables. Knight in shining armor when sitting at the table, but I'm like Cain, emotions like Abel, killing them because of fear of a label. Real men don't cry. We're lauded for always being in the gym, trying to get fit, always told to be in the spaces that are deemed as lit. Yet we lack having great, if any, real wit. And for the most part, we are told that that is it, and we're okay with it. You see a pretty girl and the target is to hit it, not her. Hope you concur. Told to keep working for muscular arms and a six-pack. Possessing the body, but in the mind we lack. Losing air when we the girl. But when she come over, we can't rock her world. Basic speech, weak punchlines, coming from basic knowledge and weak minds. But sometimes she giggle. A lot, well, sometimes. You see, few of us men take up books because we don't see the need to read. So we just spread our seed and often stink of weed because on these things we often feed because the world makes it harder for us to succeed. Mental blocks stuck scrolling on TikTok, not realizing it's time to take stock and maybe even buy some stocks. You saw a man, but I'm really a boy. Broken so much like your favorite toy. A toy so much even when it's on its last, you keep it near as the clock ticks, never thinking how to truly get it fixed. All I'm taught about is I'm pressured into gaining wealth, but no one really cares about my mental health.
If you had it back there and you're looking for a smile, bringing hope and joy for a day that was wild. Stuff from the cuffs is here to make things bright. In a world so dark, they bring us some light. Stuff from the cuffs Start from the cuffs.